This video will show you how easy it is to add the rubric from the Canvas Commons for the fall assessment for chemistry and biology. What we need to do is go to the course homepage in Canvas and click on the button on the right here that says Import from Commons. Once we're here, we can type in Lab Skills Assessment, and it will find this, the BSc and CHM Lab Skills Assessment rubric. Click on that. Next, we're going to want to click on the Import/Download button over here on the right. Now, this is important. Do not choose your course. Instead, scroll down. We're going to download it first before we import it. This is important because if you import it directly, your Canvas course may change. When I download, you'll notice a zip file was downloaded onto my computer. Typically, this will be found in your download file. Now let's go back to our course. Next, I want to import existing content. We're going to import that cartridge that we just downloaded into our computer. Scroll down under Content Type and choose Common Cartridge 1.x Package. Choose the file that you just downloaded onto your computer. Next to Content, choose Select Specific Content, and then choose the Import button that's blue. This may take a few seconds. Next, I want to click on the Select Content button and choose Rubrics and Learning Outcomes. You'll need to scroll down so that you can see the Select Content blue button and choose it. This may also take a few seconds. Now the cartridge is installed in your course. You'll need to do this process for each course that you're teaching in Canvas. Now let's add the rubric to an assignment. You can create an assignment just to collect the data. Click on Plus Assignment and then give the assignment a name. I'm going to leave mine as 0 points because I don't want this to count in my gradebook. I'm going to also choose No Submission for my submission type. Then I'll click Save and Publish. To add the rubric, click on the plus rubric button on the lower left. Now click on Find a Rubric on the upper right and scroll down until you find your course. You'll see that the Apply Laboratory Practices rubric is waiting for me. I can scroll down and I can click Use this rubric. And now the rubric has been added to my assignment. To assess the students, click on Speed Grader on the right. I can click on View Rubric, but you can see it's very crowded. Hold down the left key of the mouse and drag to the left so that you can read the rubric more easily. Now you can see the 3 learning outcomes. Each learning outcome can be viewed by clicking on View Longer Description. So I'll click on the 3 learning outcomes, whether they meet expectations or they do not meet expectations. If they did not attempt it, be sure to click on 0. Next, you want to be sure to scroll down and click on the blue button that says Save. Notice that this does not add a point value here. If you did have points associated with your assignment, in this box is where you could type in the points. And you can click on the arrow pointing to the right to move to the next student. The data will automatically be collected by the data team.